Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Afifah binti Abdul Razak. My mention number is 211090968. I want to explain about the introduction first. The main objective of this technical essay is to look at the responsibility and standard of the acting of the professional electrical engineer in a different situation. For example, I choose from a case study involved a tragic incident where a scrap iron wall scale was passed away due to the exploits in a transformer room. This case study is used to explore several professional and ethical problems that an electrical engineer may face. Focus on the importance of the following: the Board of Engineers Malaysia (BEM) Code of the Ethics and the relevant regulation, such as the Register of the Engineer (REA) and the Occupational Safety and Health Act (OSHA). So we discuss for a case study 1. The problem statement is a transformer explosion at the construction site. A scrap iron was killed there. The electrical engineer is responsible for looking at the public duty of care. For the solution, as a resident electrical engineer, we have a duty of care to ensure a public safety. We need to conduct regular safety inspection and maintenance of the electrical equipment. Besides that, to ensure the non-authorized personnel do not have to access to the dangerous area. Then, following the BEM Code of Ethics, which show the protection of the public safety and health. For case 2, the problem statement is a engineer is serving on the board of the private healthcare provider, secured at a contract for his firm from the same board. Engineer A faces a conflict of the interest as defined by the BEM Code of Ethics. Next, ethical action involves full disclosure of the conflict to all relevant parties and possibility rescues oneself for decide-making process where a conflict exists. Referring to the NSP Code of the Ethics, engineers should avoid conflict of the interest and disclose circumstances that could influence their judgment.
My name is Abdul Hadi bin Wahagi. My meeting number is 211090889. I will discuss about case study 3. Case study 3 is about conflict between staff. The problem statement is potential conflict between a resident electrical engineer staff and electrical conductor staff. The solution is establish clear communication channel and define role and responsibilities, and implementing regular coordination meeting to resolve dispute amicable, adhering to the BEM Code of Ethics, which mandate professionalism and integrity in interaction. Case study 4 is about reporting substandard work. The problem statement is an engineer in a rural electrification project is not maintaining professional standards. Our solution is report the issue to the Board of Engineers Malaysia (BEM) to uphold professional integrity. Inform the client to ensure the project meets required standard. BEM Codes of Ethics requires engineers to maintain and improve technical competence and hard responsible. Case study 5 is about damage adjacent building. The problem statement is adjacent building damage due to substation work under an electrical engineer charge. Our solution is assess the extent of the damage and take responsibility. Work with the client and affected parties to mitigate damage and provide compensation if necessary. Ensure future projects comply with our safety regulation and standard to prevent recurrence. Case study 6 is about dual role of consultant and contractor. The problem statement is here is whether an electrical engineer should act as both consultant and contractor. Our solution is generally it is advisable to separate this role and avoid conflicts of interest and ensure unbiased decision making. The BM Code of Ethics emphasizes avoiding the situation where the professional judgment could be compromised.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Najmi Al-Hilmi bin Nabi. Here I want to talk about case study number 7, supplanting other engineers. The problem statement: handling the transition when a client replaces one consultant engineer with other. The solution: follow a proper procedure by notifying the first engineer and settling any outstanding fee. Ensure a smooth transition to maintain a project continuity and professional relationship. Refer to the NSP Code of Ethics. Engineer should not supplant other engineer unjustly. Okay, standing up 8. Take over and modifying design plan. The problem statement: responsibility when take over a project from the engineer. The solution, which is review and understanding the existing plan, communicate any accessories change to the client and obtain approval before implement. Assign liability clearly, ensure both engineers are recognized for their contribution and responsibility. In conclusion, professional electrical engineering must adhere to ethical guidelines and legal standards to ensure public safety and uphold the dignity of profession. The discussion cases highlight the importance of the BAM Code of Ethics, REA and OSHA in guiding engineers through the complex ethical dilemmas and professional responsibility. By maintaining integrity, transparency, and the competence, engineer can navigate conflict of the interest, report substandard work, and manage transition effectively, ensure safety and success of their project.